Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check Samsung account email. It will help you. So let's get started. Go to your phone setting and follow my steps. Scroll down, scroll down, tap on account and backup. Tap on manage account. Scroll down, scroll down. Choose your Samsung account from the list of account. Select my profile. Tap on profile info. Your account Samsung email address will be displayed at the top of the screen. By doing this process, you can check Samsung account email. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us.